Mouth of the South Kennels. We out here in Kirksville, Missouri. Woo. It's very cold. I think it's like 5. We should be in the negatives tomorrow. Yeah. Everything snow covered. It's beautiful though. It's beautiful. Home of Truman College. And they have another college, Steel something. I had to look it up. But Truman is right down the street. When I get to this corner, you'll be able to see it. But again, Kirksville, Missouri. It's a snow blizzard. Whew. You gotta be prepared for this type of weather. Yeah, you see that all day. Scraping away. They keep the sidewalks and the roads pretty clear. I mean, much as they can. Yeah, there go Truman State. Right there, you see the flag? Starts right there. Whew.